So hello everybody, I'm Richa Jha. I write for children and I also publish for children. So I run a publishing house that publishes picture books for children in English. There are certain things which are sort of universal when one is looking at what really makes a children's book stand out. There are some books which are, the narrative voice itself is so very authentic and it comes straight. It's almost as if, even though it's written by an adult, the voice is coming straight from a child's perspective, and to me that voice, the moment it hits me, is what is the most priceless thing about an award-winning, a good book in that sense. It's also the authenticity of intent of the book itself, of what has gone into the book. So there are we are increasingly seeing that there are many books which are created to tick off agendas. So we come off with a list of things that need to be talked about, and therefore we'll go about backfitting the story into the overall agenda that we're trying to tick off. And I feel that doesn't really work with me as a reader. It doesn't particularly work. So any story where at the core is a basic human emotion, more than anything else. We could be talking about anything else. It could be slapstick, it could be humor, it could be the most serious of stuff that we're talking about. But as long as there is a very, very strong emotional core in that story, which at some point is connecting to me as a human being, to another human being, I feel it's a book that really stands out personally for me. And I'm so glad to say that so many books that we were reading here as part of the selection have had that heart at the core. So in my mind, even if the books don't win the awards, they are winners in their own right, as long as they are connecting with the children, with the readers. There's another thing which I particularly like about books which will stand out. How well are they able to connect across age groups? A good book is something which will resonate with most readers across all ages. So if the author or the creators of the book, if they've been able to get that bit right, there's a book that gets picked up by an adult, which is a children's book, and they say, oh wow, I wish I had a book like this while growing up. We have a winner there. If there's a book that a child picks up and says, oh wow, how come I never read a book like this before? We have a winner there. So, there are all these little criteria that come together into making it, but it has to have the heart in its right place.